Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with today's video. Well, first you need to take a thin paper strip like this, and then you can start crisscrossing the another strip like this. Make a circular face of this frog or a tadpole like this and give him a bouncy look. Now make a leaf, and then after making a leaf, you can simply tuck it like this. After obtaining this pattern of wings, you can now make a pedicle and insert it. After taking these, you can make a snail out of it. Well, yes, as you can see how we have rolled it and how we are going to place it on the pedicle and how it moves. Now take these thin strips and make this pattern. After just simply placing them like this, you can see that how we have made this circular ball. And after that, you can take another pair of strips and start crisscrossing them. After making this bouncy appearance, you can take and make a circular shape or a face like this. With the help of a black marker, you will simply obtain this and make this cute kitten that will bounce. Now take another pair of sheet and make a semicircle. After making the ears of the face, you can start making the eyes and then you can complete the look. Now you need to cut this circular sheet and then you can simply attach a lollipop in it. After doing so, you will be done. Now you need to take this container and in it you can start filling the clay. Now make holes and take another pair of clays like this. After that you can insert another clay into this manner and make flowers out of it. You can insert them in the container and your pots will look really great. Take the Q-tips and start inserting the another part of them by cutting it and make flowers out of it. After making flowers, you can simply see how these toothpicks will look great in it. After inserting them in between, you can see that how they all look. Now you need to take this clay. After taking this clay, you can simply rotate it into this manner. Kindly note the process of making this bird, and these rose buds will look really great. Now place them into a circular form and you are done with it. Now just take a mask and then you can simply place them in between and your bouquet of roses will be made. Now you need a ruler and a shape of cardboard like this. Simply make a cone, and after making a cone, yes you guys, you tried, we are going to make ice cream out of it. Well, you need to wrap all these sheets and simply place them on the top. Use this clay for placing it into in this manner and then simply just spread this clay like this. After spreading it into in this shape, you can make these cones. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.